कुछ सवालों के जवाब मिल गए होंगे। फिर भी अगर आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट्स में लिख दीजिए, हम ज़रूर आपको आपके सवाल का जवाब दे देंगे।
Hello everyone. Today's topic is the basic programming of S7 300, that is insertion of IOs, edit symbol and simulation of PLC for testing of program. For hardware configuration, I have already uploaded the video. For, for more information, please see that video. For creation of new project, go to the file menu and click on the file. There is number of the options is available: new project, wizard, open, close and multi projects. We have to create new project, so select new option, click on the new options, then new window is pop up, new project window. This is new project window. Name is a new project name. You can type that basic okay program. Okay, this is project name. This is by default storage location path, by default location. C program file remains S7 program. Actually my storage location is different, so I can change this path. You can also change this path if you required actually. So go to the browse button, go to down, okay, and select D drive. Where is my locations actually? D drive, select and P, okay, P expand, okay, basic. My location is basic 1, so okay, click on OK and OK. Look at friend, this is basic program 1062020 is my project name actually. So project name is created. After project name created, we have inserted station, 300 stations or 400 stations which we have required. I want 300, so inserted I 300 stations. So right click on inserted object, schematics 300 station, click on okay. Look at this is expandable and schematic section is inserted. Okay, go to the okay, expand and hardware configuration. After insertion of schematic station, hardware is inserted. Insert rail, okay, insert CPU 300. Here is number of CPU 300 type: CPU 313, 312, 314, 315, which we have required, we are inserted. Now I want 313, so I inserted 313. So go to the 300 station, CPU 313, select version 1.2 and insert it in the rack. Okay, CPU is inserted successfully. Okay, this is MPI address. Okay, now CPU is inserted. Another basic part is insertions of IOs actually. This basic part actually, insertion of IOs. Now go to the SM module. Here is different type of IOs and DIOs. That means AI analog input, mix IOs, that means analog input, analog output, AO analog output, DI mix DIDO, DO, digital output, AI analog input, DI digital input. Now we have inserted DI 300. So go to that, select DI. There is different type of DI, digital input. That means DI 16 24 volt. DI means digital input 16 bit, 0 to 0.0 to 0.7 and 1.0 to 1.7. This is 16 bit. So selected DI 16 DC 24 volt. So selections of DI 16 DC 24 volt. Select, drag and drop. The having specification is small window. Okay, select DI 16 and insert in fourth row. Okay, look at guys, this is actually I address 0 1, that means 0.0 to 0.7 1 byte, and 1.0 to 1.0 to 1.7 is another byte actually. That means total 16 bit. We have inserted DI 16, so this total 16 bit. Now we have inserted digital output. So go to the DO, this is DO, and selected DO which we have required. There are also different type of DOs having different type of specification. That means DC 24 volt 0.5 ampere. This is one, and another is relay AC 24 volt. This is different type of actually output which we have required actually. So select SM322DO16 into DC 24 volt 0.5 ampere. This is output. Same DO16, that means 16 bit digital output. So select it and insert in the rack. Okay, row number 5th. Look at, okay, insert, okay. Same Q 4 and 5. This means 4.0 to 4.7 and 5.0 to 5.7. This 16 bit Q, that means output. In Siemens, I is denoted, I is for input and Q is output. This is hardware configurations. This is hardware inserted, that means CPU and DI and DO is inserted in rack, VLAN rack. Okay, go to save and download it. For download in PLC, you can, okay, you can't download this hardware without open the simulation mode window. So this is main page of the schematic manager. Click on simulation symbol. This is simulation symbol. This is okay. This is simulations window. S7 PLC Sim1. This is simulation window. Small simulation window. This is simulation window. Okay, now go to the hardware window, save the hardware. Okay, save complete. Now download the project. Okay, this is CPU 313. Okay, this is MPI address, view CPU 8141. Okay, download completed. Buffer show that download is completed. Okay, now go to the main window, expand schematic station 300, expand CPU 313, expand block. This is OB1. This is organization block. Okay, for symbolic name for basic PLC, okay, program. And this is basic program, so that we have to make a program in OB, not generated FC, FB. FB means function block, not functions. So this is used, this simple basic program. So use OB. In OB, this use ladder logic language create actually. So select ladder, okay, then okay. OB is open now. OB windows. This is programmable window actually. Program window actually. This is basic program window. This is network. That is ladder, empty ladder. This is function, that is comparator, converter, counter, DB cell, jump, move, program, shift, rotate, timer. This is function. This is instruction actually. The instruction which is used in at the time of programming. Okay, this is NC. Normally this is NC actually. This is NC. This is NO. Normally open. This is normally open contact and normally close contact. And this is coil. This when the network, that is ladder, is activated, then and only this NONC and coil is activated. Otherwise this is not activated. That means we have we are not inserted, and when this ladder is not selected actually. When ladder is selected, then and only this instruction is inserted. And every time the NONC contact on the left side of the ladder, and coil is always right side. Look at, this is green, that means this is selected. This ladder, this network 1 is selected, this line is selected, so this NONC and coil is activated. So insert one by one NONC and coil for a simple basic program actually. This is the simple basic program. So click on NO, click on NC, and click on coil. So by default NONC contact is left side of the window and coil is on right side of the window. Okay, if we selected the left side of the window, coil is automatically inactivated. That means every time coil on right side of the window and NONC contact is left side of the window. Down arrow, up arrow key is activated. That means for insertion, okay, select, okay, and up. Okay, here we inserted one latch, that means holding contact. This is called as holding contact because we hold output. Okay, this is insertion of NONC contact and output and holding contact. Now we have edit the question mark, that is we have addressing the NONC contact and coils. That means in Siemens I is represented inputs and Q is represented output. So we have addresses that NONC contact and coil by I and Q contact. Okay, look at, this is same. This is input DI16 and DO16. That means 0 to 1. 0 to 1 is input, and 4 to 5. 4 to 5 is Q. That means output. That means 0 to 0.0 to 0.7 and 1.0 to 1.7 is the input, and 4.0 to 4.7 and 5.0 to 5.7 is the output. then addresses, this address use, this address use, this bit, this address or bits is used in for addressing that question mark, addressing the NONC contact. For like that, okay, go to select that question mark, go to I 0.0, okay, enter, okay, next NC contact I 0.1, okay, enter, coil is start from Q, not 0, select 4.0, enter, and this is holding contact. This holding contact is same address as same of the output, that is Q 4.0 is the address of the coil, then same address of the this holding contact. Look at Q 4.0, that means we have used the same address at left side, but not an coil. Coil is a function for use on off or other function actually, but symbolic address, that is Q function, that is Q 4.0 used for address, the addressing same Q 4.0 for left side, okay, same, okay. So we write down start and address is I 0.0 and symbolic name is start. Data type is boolean. Boolean is either 0 or 1. So edit start, okay, apply and close. Look at guys, this is show that I 0.0 symbolic represent start. This is symbol and addresses. So look at guys, this is addresses and symbol, that is addresses I 0.0 starts symbol, that I 0.1 stop, Q 4.0 light, and same addresses used for the holding Q 4.0 light. So save, go to the save symbol, file symbol, floppy symbol, this is save, wait, okay, now download on CPU, okay, download completed. Okay, this symbol is online symbol. For online symbol, one symbol is upside specs symbol online, and look at guys, this is offline now, that means this is offline. For online the program, that means simulation of the PLC, we must require to open the simulation window. Okay, this is simulation window. Okay, now look at guys, this is stop, red, run, not any color, DC, DP and SF, and click on stop. So for online, go to the specs, click on specs, okay. Now this is red, that is CPU is in stop mode. So go to the simulation window, okay, this simulation window, go to and run the peripheral, that means run the window. Look at guys, this is DC is green and run is green, okay, not any red, SF, DP, DC and stop not in red, run is green, click on run, and this is program window. Look at the power supply, that is green, come up to start, and this is NC, so NC, look at guys, this is NO contact, normally open contact and normally NC contact. Normally NC contact means normally close contact, so power supply present, and normally open contact, power supply is not present. This is coil, when on or off. Okay. So for this, where to use, actually go to, okay, this is IB0 byte 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That means 0 0.0, 0 0.1 to 0 0.7. This is addresses. This is IB. This means addresses, input bytes. That means say 8 bit 8. So 4 enter, because of address is, look at guys, address is q 4.0. so qb 4 4.0 4.1 4.2 up to 4.7. So now go to I 0.0 is click, then coil is activated, that means light is on. Look at guys, 0.0, 4.0 is activated. When this q, that sorry, IB 0.1, that means this addresses is activated, then NC, normally close contact, is open, and then light is closed. So light is closed, okay, then again stop. So guys, this is simulations of basic program. This is simple program in which we have used IO 0.0, I 0.1 and Q 4.0, and one holding contact Q 4.0. This simple program uh, in which we have learned insertion of IOs, edit symbol, and and stimulation of program.
वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिएगा। इससे हर वक्त हम जब एक नया वीडियो लेके आएंगे तो आपको उसकी सूचना मिल जाएगी।